The future is now.
Do you have a passion to learn?
Do you want to make a difference today?
Well, together we can.
Hi, I'm Charlie Callan.
Chris Norwood.
Jasmine Clark.
On March 25th, over 100 students from Kirkland's junior and senior high schools will depart classes and begin exploring the future.
There are lectures ranging from college planning to career choices, stress management to financial fun.
And this year, students will even get a chance to discuss a dream Kirkland and see a special keynote speaker.
This and much more will be happening at the 2010 Kirkland Youth Summit.
Your future now.
Your future now.
Hosted by the Kirkland Youth Council at the Kirkland Performance Center,
The Peter Kirk Community Center,
And the Kirkland Teen Union Building.
Visit www.ci.kirkland.wa.us to register. Registration runs until March 18th.
Also, look for posters around your school for more information.
The youth is the future.
What decisions are made now will affect all of us too.
Make a difference.
Make a difference. Make a difference and discover your future now.
For more information about the Kirkland Youth Summit, visit www.ci.kirkland.wa.us/youth or call 425-587-3323.